Tootsies. It's a whole ordeal.
So Tootsies are annoying too?
I mean, it's just put them on and squish them. The squishing part's actually kind of fun.
You have to squish each one?
Well, what I used to, and then I found it.
Or you do like a tray and push?
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as you put the parchment paper down, we're good. But yeah, I had a spoon before. I was like, oh my god, this is going to take me forever.
Yeah, that would be frustrating. Hi guys, come on in. Hi Amy Jo. Hi everybody. I'll give you guys a few to come in and then I'll get a tuck and...
I miss everyone. I gotta go live soon.
They miss you too, I'm sure.
Once,
And we gotta get Jess back on her regular programming.
It's too busy. It's like, I don't
Well, you know
know
what?
multitask.
You're able to go live when everything's running properly.
It's when it's stressful, I cannot detach.
No, there's always more stress.
There's
The stress
always
never
something,
ends.
you guys.
Here, let me send this to my broadcast guys, and then I'll give you guys all the tea.
Are you gonna fill in on all?
I'm gonna
of
fill out with
these?
everything because you guys don't even know.
We've been keeping little secrets.
Okay. Let me also though comment. Oh, okay. Let's have some stars today. All right. I'm gonna also pin Beautifully You guys too because their probiotic is back, which is super exciting. So if you guys do order it, you'll be in it to win it for 2 different chicken dinners. One if you're a first-time customer, one if you're recurring for Monday through Friday, and then you'll go into my monthly as well. So let me also pin that so you guys have everything.
Is the probiotic like a drink?
Oh no, it's like a dry pour. I want to get everything and have you try it. I think that'd be
would
fun.
like to try the probiotic because my doctor said I should be on one.
Well, the Trim Fit I think too, because you always want to you say you want to lose weight and it gives you energy.
Yeah.
I think you'd really like the energy
The
part.
energy might help. All right, well, let's do it one day.
So, where do we even begin? I know I can't take no more stress either, girl. So, you guys knew a few weeks. Was it a few weeks or was it just like a solid week? I don't even know. It feels like
it
a
might
few
be
weeks.
a couple days over a week.
A week and a half ago, one of our machines pooped. So we were down to 2 machines. Now we were planning on 3 machines running for Black Friday, all that stuff, Christmas. So Jess made an appointment with the people, which surprisingly she was able to get an appointment in a couple days. But it was weird because she didn't even know what the appointment was. It just popped up in the calendar. And she's like, "Is this you?"
Like, what
Can you
is
imagine
this?
if we missed it? It would have been even worse. So, so she had the appointment. The guy ran tests. And after the she had to do like a USB, and after that meeting, we never even told you guys this. The second machine started working. So we had 3 machines running for 2.5 days. While she went away, our stay employee cooked. I'm like, what do we call him?
Our Oompa Loompa.
Our Oompa Loompa cooked, and then it crapped back out on Sunday. So we didn't even tell you guys it was working yet. We just wanted to see. We wanted to catch up. And then it stopped working. So this whole time you guys thought it wasn't working. But we were like, oh my gosh, yes, we're actually going to be able to have like everything running smoothly again. Well, it lasted 2.5 days. So during that, we were like catching back up and stuff. And then, like I said, it kaput it. So Jess then again had to have a meeting, and she was finally able to have another one yesterday.
By the way, tell them it's all over the phone. Like
it's all over the phone. They FaceTime.
Yeah.
They FaceTime and USB, and the thing reads stuff. So all this week she's been going back and forth with the guy, and Thursday she started getting it working again. She's like, okay, we're back, we're good because we did our power hour. Freaking kaput again. So she's like talking with the guy, and finally today he's like, okay, try this. And we're like, what's crazy is why didn't he tell us, tell her this first? He's like, take the rinse, there's a giant O-ring, and kind of push it away and see if it helps. Because it wasn't vacuum sealing. So this whole time we're like, it's the pump, they're just doing pump tests and all this stuff. The O-ring was pushed on too tight, like it was too far back. So this entire 2-week process of going back and forth, fixing, unfixing, thinking it's working, not working, it was literally, the O-ring was pushed too far and it couldn't vacuum seal. So it's just been a roller coaster of emotions because it's been working, not working. She thought we got it back working, so we had our big power hour. Then it stopped working again. We're like, holy fuck, we have all this stuff we're guaranteed for holidays. So that's why we've been like busting our asses overtime. But as of today, it's been running nonstop and it's been good again. So I guess it really was the O-ring, which is good because now we know the machine's very good and everything else because of all the other tests. But yeah, so thank you for the stars for Star Center of the Live. So, we're back to running a bunch of machines. So, we've been here prepping. So then, that's not it, guys. If you know that was, if that was it, it's not. But lots of overtime. So, on top of that, you guys know we have our beautiful bags. Well, we open up our last box of bags, so we knew we would have to start ordering them soon. But each box has a lot. The boxes were the bags are defective, guys. So you know how they're like sealed on the sides? On one side of all of them, defected. So unknowingly, we were out of bags without expecting it. So I contacted the company. They're super amazing. They're trying to rush and get them bags, but we're not gonna have bags for Christmas, right? So this is actually gonna work out for you guys. So don't get upset yet. We ordered bags. They're basic bags, but for the inconvenience for you guys, we actually got them bigger, so you guys are gonna get more products. So the bags are not as cute temporarily, but you guys are getting more products. So look at that. This bag is bigger. Guys, let's hit this star party. So you guys are gonna get more product. Luckily, I have these stickers for the trays, so we are still branded. Well, this one doesn't have a sticker on the back, but they have stickers on the. They will have stickers on the back. So you guys are not gonna get as cute bags, but you're getting more in the bag. They actually have more depth and everything. So as a temporary, you guys are getting more candy. But the good thing is, I was like, okay, they're not gonna look as cute, but when we eat candy, we eat it and we throw out the bag, so it's not the end of the world. Like, that's what I'm thinking. Like, it's still gonna taste just as good, and you're gonna get more of it. Okay, it's just a different bag. But luckily, aside from getting it fixed, we ordered 10,000 bags, so we have so much more coming that's gonna be good, and we're gonna check all of them at once, so we know.
We're not doing that
yeah,
again.
so you guys are not gonna have as cute bags, but you get a little bit more, so that's a win. So we want to kind of give you guys the thing. We've also been printing a shit ton. We've been making tallies and piles. Like, tomorrow is gonna be a crazy day. We're trying to get Kitty over here. We're gonna have Kenny. I would have had Liam with me tonight, but you guys know the whole situation going on with that. But we have so much that we're gonna be getting packed. Woo! And I'll show you guys, because since that third machine, guys, I'm telling you, that's what makes the world of a difference. Let me show you guys what we have going on that's getting packed tomorrow. Yes, Kiara. Is it Kiara or Chiara? I'm sorry. We have 3 beautiful machines running. I also, yesterday, figured out a way to make 20 more Apple Pop lollipops per run just by shortening the sticks of the lollipops. So that was a win. So now we can make 70 Apple lollipops in the large machine at once. But we are cooking. So much is getting cooked. We are getting these bad boys filled. We have, let's see, we got Laffy Taffy and Tootsie Rolls. A lot of you guys got Tootsie Rolls in the trays. We got more Tootsie Rolls. Holy crap, that's a lot of Tootsie Rolls. And then, oh, that's warming for more Tootsie Rolls. So we are still cooking up a storm, and I'm so glad, guys, because this machine is going to save Christmas. Because that machine can make so much, because it's 5 trays. We're going to be good. So, lots of cooking. But if you guys do want to order Sugar Mama, it's pinned below. It will not come before Christmas, so don't even try, okay? But we are busting our booties. So we are actually been sitting here manually stickering each bag. Now, guys, just an FYI, I'm going to tell you this now. The candy will have a little space up at the top, but we're filling the candy to this line, okay? It is, look, I want to show you guys, it is deeper. So you're getting more this way, and you're getting more this way, and more this way. So that's why this stops right here. So it's going to go up to the sticker. But you are getting more candy as an apology for the bags not being as on brand. But we have lots of piles, lots of orders getting done. What date are we up to? It's a mix because we print out a bunch at a time. Because I'll show you guys what we do. You guys see we make big batches. So we print out a chunk at a time and we write down what sizes we need for each chunk so we can see what we're needing. So we do quite a bit of days at a time because that one batch could be cooking for multiple days. Because it's just easier that way, like to run multiple trays at a time. So we have a bunch of dates. Let's see. I see December 7th. Okay. Oh, if it's December 7th, we have to remember to do a free candy.
Yes,
so
I have that on my
okay. So we're already up to some December 7th. This pile, we have a couple from the end of November, in December, so they are kind of mixed because we cook everything at the same time. The monthly subscriptions. So, the orders that are a la carte, those are our top priority because those are the ones we said, hey, we're busting our butts to get out for Christmas. The subscriptions, luckily we already have a lot of it made, but now that we have the third machine running, after we know Christmas is good, we're going to be finishing that. But we already have, for the monthly subscriptions, we already have the giant marshmallows done. We have a bunch of the cowtails done. We already have some of the taffy done. So we actually have a lot of the stuff done. So we really could actually start putting together some of the boxes. We are just prioritizing to the a la carte, like, be there for Christmas orders. You know what I mean? The stockings are all finishing up, and we have those are going out. We've been doing stockings. When I was here, was I here yesterday or the day before? Whenever I was here, a lot of the orders were stocking orders. No puppy luck yet, guys. But yeah, so we are preparing bags for tomorrow because Kenny will be here first thing in the morning. Hopefully, my sister asked to work. I haven't been able to get a hold of her. So if you guys see her tonight, magically, let her know I've been trying to get a hold of her because she said she's going to come in too. So we're going to have Katie and Kenny both doing different things. We're going to have Kenny doing bags, and we're going to have Katie doing the trays tomorrow. Yes, the contact us section is the same thing because it's literally just like an email, and then we talk email afterwards. So we are busting our beauties. Our original plan was anything December 7th and sooner. Those are the orders we're going for Christmas. So there's still a chance, guys. I don't want you to think that that's not happening because we are going to be working ourselves to the bone as much as these machines can go now that all three are running again. That third one makes a big difference. I want you guys to know that. You guys don't understand how big of a blessing that is that we have it working today. So we are going to go. Another thing that we're going to be doing for you guys as well is if we're getting close to getting past the guaranteed for ground shipping, we are going to pay the difference and do priority shipping on orders to make it even faster for you guys to guarantee that shipping. So we are busting our booties to make that happen for you guys. So we will keep you in the loop, and we are working. But yeah, we're going to pay priority out of our own pockets to get the stuff to you guys when we get to that point if we need to. Hey, Brittany. But yes, guys, so if you have any questions, let me know. But that's kind of the gist of everything that's been going on. So it's been really fun. Yeah, so we are working. Hold on. Hello? Hello? I'm actually trying to answer every number just in case someone has information. I know my whole situation at home sucks, but I gotta do what I gotta do because it's like, I can't have all you guys disappointed at me too at the same time. I don't, you know what I mean? So, Liam was supposed to help out, but he's gonna have to stay home. He's been driving when I was with you guys earlier signing stuff. He stayed back obviously, and he was driving around with Sterling when Sterling woke up from his nap. So we've been watching, trying. We have lights on, we have food out. You know, we're doing everything we can to get everything done that we have to do. So we're trying. So getting the bag stickered to prepare will be helpful. We ordered a bunch of candies. We have some stock coming in. But I was like, ugh. Like, I'm not going to go live and pack. I'm just going to go live and tell the girls what's going on. And I just want to help prep everything. So when we have our full crew tomorrow, it's going to go really smooth. But yeah, so there's everything. And I will be going live tonight to show you guys the palette that is coming out. What? Oh, okay, as long as no candy was destroyed. Yeah, shit happens. Doing everything we can to make it the best we can.
right.
Thank you guys for the stars, by the way. I guess our star party goal here is very low, so we hit it really easily. So thank you guys so much. She exists. She lives. But yeah, I'm going to work here until my food comes, and I'm bringing food home to the fam. And then once I get into the neighborhood, I'm going to do another drive-by. Oh, Jess, I didn't tell you this. We have the cops called on us.
I'm sorry.
So, okay. Liam's been driving around slow in the neighborhood all day long.
Oh!
You would think people would know us by now, though. He thinks it's his bicycle guy that he passed multiple times.
Creeping by.
But, so when I left, I saw a cop pass by, and I called Liam, and I said, I'm going to go around the circle, and if I pass the cop, I'm going to stop her. So I keep going around. I go around the circle, and I wave her down, and I said, we don't have cops in the area very often. I was like, are you looking? Did you guys get a call about someone driving around the neighborhood real slow? And they're like, yeah. I said, that's us. It was a white Suburban. She's like, yeah. I'm like, yeah, that's us. Our pet got out at 9 this morning. We've been driving around. But yeah, it's us. So she's like, oh, okay. She didn't really like smile or laugh. I was like, yeah, it's my creepy husband. But I'm like, I wonder if she kept patrolling or she's even more curious now. But yeah, I stopped her and I was like, yeah, that's us, because we saw a cop earlier and we thought it was kind of weird. So I was like, let me just let you guys know, because I'm sure more people might call. Or the one person, obviously, is like one. Though, this is the thing I said to Liam. I said, babe, I was driving around too, but anytime I saw a person, I stopped,
and
asked, and then they knew. Liam was just creepily driving around in a blacked out SUV, like looking in like tunnels and shit. You know what I mean? And I was like knocking on doors with Sterling. So anyone that saw me knows the Maserati is a good person. Liam just looked like a creep driving around. So, yeah, so that was the fun. But I told Liam, I was like, I'm going to stop. And he's like, keep me on the phone. I want to hear what they have to say. And he's like, wow, the creepy guy. I'm like, well, what are you? You're just driving around the neighborhood all slow and not saying shit to people. I was like, I would have stopped the bicycle guy by the third time he drove by him and told him what was up, because that just does look weird. You should like neighborhood watch or the patrol. Ugh. I have a headache. Let me see what this one is. Got one of them. Ooh, they're picking up the order already? Cool.
Yeah.
I got one of them stress headaches.
Yeah, you've had a day.
Yeah.
I called her to tell her about the machine.
As I'm driving.
And I'm like, what are you doing?
And she's like, I have good news. I'm like, yeah.
I have bad news.
Yeah. I was like, tell me more. But it was exciting to see that we have 3 machines again, so.
Although I did that to you yesterday also, so you're probably like, yeah.
Yeah, you did call me yesterday.
So
she's like, the machine's working. I'm like, awesome. And she's like, never mind.
That's the case.
And then I didn't hear anything. I was like, so. She's like, never mind. But yeah, so that is, that's our update. So I want to kind of fill you guys in. But I will go live tonight showing you guys the new palette. It's in pieces, but it's just the week. This is the week that it's just gonna be. So if there's any update, I'll let you guys know too. But hopefully he's gonna show up at someone's house. I feel it. Like that's what's gonna happen. He's a house animal. He's gonna be on someone's porch and someone's camera is gonna catch it. All right, I'll let you guys go for now. But I will see you guys later. And if you get candy, thank you so much. We should be back to having a nice regular processing time because we have 3 machines working. So thank you guys. Go grab your probiotic because it's back, and I'll see you later.